Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So in this particular video I will be walking you through a very great note taking app. So I don't know, you might have or not. So it's called as Notion. So you might have heard it about, but still if you didn't, I will walk you through with this, and the video may get bit long, but please cope up with me, or like try to stay with me till the end of this video. You will learn a lot. Like, this is an amazing uh, task noting app, the note taking app, and everything. Like, you can do all the stuff, and it's for free, almost free. So why it's free, I will like tell you also. So basically, as I've said you, that Notion is a note taking sort of app. So without wasting time, let me jump directly to my directory. So you have to just open the app and sign in with your Google account, so nothing more. So you have desktop app. So I have using desktop app here. I am using browser app also. You can use in any browser, you can use in your phone. They have Android app, they have iOS app. So you can use it and you get points out of it, and you can use those points to convert into your pro plan. So yeah, it's very interesting. So I will tell you what is that. So let's go here. So I'm just hiding my all the directory. I won't be able to show you all those things, but let me create a unique page. So how to do this? Just go to this thing and there is add a page. So if you add a page, just a single line. So if this title is like I am creating a demo. So yeah, just if you select it and right click it, you can just, this is the header, right? This is the only part called as header. You can add icons on the top of it. The icons can be chosen as per your need. If it is not here, you can upload an image from here and convert into this icon. You can use from link. You can choose the background color, background image, everything. Now the most interesting part here, the only command is slash. You might have seen in lot of other things, like you can insert text, you can insert a new page inside it, you can add a to-do list, you can have a header, header 2, header 3, you can insert table, bullet list, number list. You can also insert it. You can toggle list, I guess you know, right? Or you can add codes. So codes, like if you click this and if you write I am writing a quote. So you might have, if you have like been through some of the like blog apps, something like Medium, you have seen like this kind of writing quotes mechanism. People usually write it and put at like put this as italic. If you select that, there is option directly. Otherwise you can directly use Control I, Control B to bold. All those same stuffs are very same as you use in your MS Word and all those things. So this is the one thing. You can again go back, put a slash, go divide the link page, call out. So you can add some Persian mentions also. You can add emoji function, you can add mathematical functions, add some databases from outside also. And you can add images, you can add videos, audio, you can write code also. If you are writing code, you can just select the code language from here. If you are writing, like, let's go and write some Python codes. So if I go, where is Python? Yeah, here is Python. So now the color for everything will be like in Python. So if I write print hello world, I know this is the basic program everybody writes. So it sort of comes in the color. It's very handy and it's very simple. So now let's go back there, the code section. You can add image, video, code, you can add file, and you can embed like PDFs, tweets, your GitHub account and your Google location map. You can like attach all those things. You can attach sketch, you can add PDF, you can add like CodePen. If you know, like CodePen is a website where you write codes, you can add those link here. Ripple is also like repo sites, so you can add those things here. And DeepNote is also a platform that provide you some like phase to run your models and all sort of that. You can write table of content, like toggle 1, toggle 2, all the headers, shape, bullet point, code, like everything is there. I don't think so you are missing anything. If you want to like highlight this thing, you just go and select this color, you can directly delete, move everything. There is an option here. But if you want to like change anything, just write this 3 clock and just you have all the options. If you want to put color, okay, I want to put like or yellow color, so it is in yellow now. So it's very simple, just you have to like experiment it, I would say. If I want to like select all and go to this and just directly I want to put background color, put background as yellow, so as you can see the background is yellow now. So yeah, it's very simple. And the most important thing that I use here is this to-do list. So this is one thing I got from someone, so I don't remember him. So just this is so handy that you can create any to-do list. Like if I have to buy X, so I will write buy X and just this is my task, and this shows at what time and at what date it's created. You double tap it, it is a new page. You can add assign to whom, you can assign the person. It's me because I am a single like authenticator for this whole thing. You can add some right here priority, you can add priority high, medium, low, created date, due date, time, add properties. You can add some more tasks to it. You can add pages inside the pages. So just if you are done, if you are doing this, just put it in progress. If you are done, just do it in it's complete. And if you want like full width, just go, and there is an option of, I guess it's not here, I will show you that option also. So there is option called if you go back to the create demo page, if you go here, there is an option called this default, and there is like styles, so I can use any of the styles I want. And if you want like full width, you can use this full width of the whole page. Small text also it works, but it looks cool here, so I will keep it as it is. So yeah, I was telling you about the to-do list thing. So it's so handy that you just have to draw, like if you want to, if you are starting, just drag and drop, just do it. Because I also manage my time here, so morning I start writing down all the to-do list which I have to complete and drag and drop everything, and at the end of the day I check how many I have completed and which of them are pending. So yeah, it's better than writing in a like in a diary, because either you lost the diary or something, but this is something that you can never lose. So this is same, right? This is one app that I'm using. Whatever I create in app also reflect in browser, whatever I do in browser also reflect in app. So it's so simple, right? And you can explore more about this. And if you want free templates, so just go here, click templates. So there are a lot of inbuilt templates are there, people have already created, and it's according to this like thing. If you want design templates, you can use this one. If you are a student, if you need to class notes, job application, grade, read list, everything, like everything included, everything. So if you want to see some examples, like I can't show you all of them, but if you want like any examples like how people will go about this, so this is one note that I took it from there is a good YouTuber called Shashank, and you can directly copy the notes from there. So this is one thing I got to know from that Shashank guy. He's a data analyst, and you can go and check him out. So if you go to YouTube, yeah, this one. So I have learned a lot from this guy, so that's what I'm sharing you. And you can like use, I have copied directly that note because that was very useful for me, and I have learned a lot from this. And the interesting part is you don't have to create all this, just you have to just right click it and select that you want to create an index, and it will automatically do the indexing thing. You don't have to do it. It's very smart. And you can add your snips and everything, like this Power BI I was learning. So just write your header, you can cut and copy paste your snips here, you can write whatever you want and everything. It's very simple and handy. So yeah, I guess that's all about this video. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video. Bye.